Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Hope you are fine. So, I hope this course is also going well for you. So, in the last lecture, we studied about the four services like computing, storage, database, networking. So, in this lecture, we will create an AWS account and we will study all of these services in this account one by one. And along with this, there are some more prerequisites are there that we have to study. Then we will go with the AI practitioner one. So for creating AWS account, you have some requirements. First is email and mobile number, and both need to be own email. Why own email? Because it will ask for OTP and authentication. It will ask, so you require an email ID for it, and mobile number also it will ask OTP for it, so you require mobile number. Second thing you require is the any government ID like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, anything is fine. The third thing is first you have to either have debit card or credit card. Like initially, what AWS will do is it will deduct 2 rupees from your account, and within 1 week it will give back the 2 rupees into your account because if for authentication purpose Amazon uses this particular payment methodology. So this is the procedure how we will do that. I will demonstrate it now. So now for this should have any mail ID you should have. So I have this mail ID. In this mail ID I will first write AWS sign up. AWS sign up. So the first website like sign in aws.com, go into this official website and write your mail ID. So my mail ID for this is AWS course. This is my business mail ID, so please don't text into this business ID. I will give in description section. I will give you the mail ID there. You can able to send or connect with me. That is better for me as well as for you because this email I won't going to reply. So this is the email. We'll go here. We'll copy this mail ID and just go here and paste it. And then you will write your account holder name, email ID. Now it will ask OTP for you. So this OTP you have to copy and paste it. OTP you will copy and paste it. It is you. So now you have to give a root password. This is one of the very big and important steps that you have to follow. So since my YouTube channel is Data King with Saket, so for now I will going to give that as the password. Similarly, I will 1 second. So now after doing this, you have to click on the continue section. So this after clicking the continue section, then what you will do is I will save this particular thing. You have two options, either to choose free plan or the paid plan. So for now we will going to choose free plan as we are in the learning stage, so we don't need to do any official kind of work for payment. So choose free version for 6 months. Choose personal. So now fill this all the details and I will fill the details and I will come back to you guys. So I will fill it here itself. I'll fill it and I'll come back to you guys. That's better. So after you enter all the details, then you have to click on this agree and continue. For now, I will save on the no. Then you have to fill your credit card payments and all. So this thing I will do, and then we will proceed. Do all the payment stuff, write everything. If you have PAN card, well and good. If you don't have PAN, also no problem for you. So you can click on no and then click on verify and continue. So then we'll come. So here we will go down and we will write this as thing. For now I will disable the pan card. I have pan card but I am disabling it for now. So you can go and you can do it, no issues for it, it will work still. So it is verifying and continuing, and then it will ask you for OTP. That OTP you have to enter in your phone. See, so here after doing this, what will happen? You will get this tick mark. After you click on continue, you'll get this tick mark. So now here you have means your payment has been verified. See, make sure in your debit card or credit card you enable the domestic payments. Then only it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. So now here, what is the purpose? So I will click on personal use. Ownership type is I am an individual. I am not having any company. Now here it will ask you these three details: voter card, PAN card, and all. So we will select the PAN card, okay, and then we have to write the date of birth. So to 12th month, and this is my date of birth, and so this is the PAN number. Then it will ask you to upload the pan card photo as well. So I will upload and I will come back to you guys. So click on continue. Then it will ask you for a text message. So here obviously I won't tell the mobile number. So I will, here region I will write, so mobile number I will write and I'll come back to you guys. Then after entering the mobile verification, then you will get this security verification, and you'll get the OTP for it. So your OTP is, this is the OTP. Then you have to read all the agreements, and here you will get a plan which one you want to support. So we will support the basic plan, and then we will click on the complete sign up, and then like this your AWS account has been created successfully. So here you can go to the now you click on the sign in console, like if I click on this sign in option, you will get this particular page. Like you can directly go to my role is I'm an student interested in AIML. I would like to share. We'll click on the submit, and then your entire process is over. Now you can go to sign into console. So here you got this particular console page where you will get account color, everything you will going to get. So for now, by default it will show Europe Stockholm as the region. So first we will go and we will keep the dark theme because it looks very cool and composed. And these are some of here, if you see in this recently visited console home, you will get these four services, like EC2 means compute, S3 means bucket, Aurora, RDS, Lambda. And if you want to see all the services, you click on the view all the services. These are the services that are available for in the free tier version. So in this we will focus on IAM. We'll going to study. We'll study on transcribe, translate, machine learning. We'll going to study all things. This compute EC2 will going to study. Lambda will going to study. Then S3 will going to study. Database Amazon RDS will going to study. RDS will going to study, and yeah, like this we'll going to study. Like VPC will going to study. uh, 53 also we have to study about it. Basic, it's important. So these are some of the services that we have to study for before going to these thing. Here if you want you can change the location also, like here you can keep India, or you can keep, you don't need Europe, so I will keep it as supported regions. I will select, and here you can select your own manage regions. If you click, you will get your Mumbai location or Hyderabad location, which is nearer to you, that you will going to get. If I select this thing called London Origao for now, Mumbai will going to select enable by default. So these 17 regions are not available for this account. Why? Because these are the premium, like who are having premium account will only get these accounts. So that's why you won't get this particular thing. So you have to select any one of it. So we will select Hyderabad. Hyderabad is better option for us. So we will going to select. We'll enable this as the region. So now if you come back to the uh, this thing, these 17 regions you are not allowed to use in this particular console. So now if I like this, you will study about the different services available for us. So like this, yeah, if you want to create instance, you'll click on this and you will enter all of the parameters that are required for it. What are these instances, what are the use cases? If you are not getting any service, you can type here like this, like IAM is there. This thing you can click on, you can explore the all of the things. Means how you can able to group the permission and all, how users are there, how you can able to give the permissions, these things and all will going to deal in the next lecture. So thank you guys, hope you liked it. Please, it's a small request from my side, if any information is been coming in the video, please don't misuse the information. So that's it guys, so thank you guys.